Good morning, good morning. Happy FriYay, it's Functional FriYay, and today I have another organizational tip for you regarding tool storage. So we have lots of tools. We've got our take your pick, and we've got our paper snips, and we've got our blocks and all kinds of things. So today I thought I'd share with you how I store all of those. So this is my tool storage caddy. This is called a Boon, B-O-O-N, and it's from Pottery Barn. They also have some that are on Amazon if you want to check that out. But I love this organizer because I have tried many. I tried that carousel kind, and so many of them are so deep that our tools just get lost in them. So this has all of these different circular holders. So I've got all my different paper snips here. I've got my ribbon snips, and I've got pens and my pencil. I've got a ruler, and I actually have 3 take your pick tools, and I have all of the different attachments on them. So this way I don't have to change them. They're just ready to go. I've got bone folders. I've got new Wink of Stellas that are ready to go. And then I've got my Wink of Stella and my Wink of Stella spritzer that I'm currently using. So I've got all my tools easy there. I love that it is pointed in a direction that's easy to just grab because they're facing me and not just a deep hole, right? Like they're kind of at an angle. So I love that Boon holder. The other thing I wanted to share with you today was how I store my clear blocks. So I have multiple clear blocks in all the different sizes because sometimes you're doing a project and you need 2 D blocks, and so you want to have multiple, right? So I have multiple, and I keep them in these just plastic containers in a drawer in my desk here. These containers are from the Container Store, and so I've got all the different, small, medium, and it goes up in size. And then I even have one for the longer blocks, and I keep any kit blocks. We get a block in each of our kits, and so I keep those as well because those are the size basically of our D blocks. So we've got lots of options when I'm stamping. When I'm doing my cards, I want to be able to have them all on their own blocks and not have to switch them mid-project, right? So that is my tool storage and my block storage tips for you today, but keeping them all together like with like really helps in organizing all of our crafty fun. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. If you missed any of our previous Functional Friday organizational tips, you can check those out on my channel. There's a Functional Friday playlist, and there's also all have been uploaded to my blog at stampinqueenbee.com. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys soon.